What up, players? You already know, up close and personal with that Galaxy Note 10 Plus, player. Retail packaging. What up? We are out here, baby. We getting it in. I got that exclusive Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I'm on the move. I'm getting ready to go and shoot some, you know, we're gonna get the footage, player. Let's go walk and talk and let's discuss what this bad boy has to offer us, man. Note 10 Plus, baby. Hey man, it feels great in the hand. Honestly, I have confidence even holding this in my hand because of the grip. The grip is there. You don't even need a case with this bad boy, especially if you go with this color. This color is butter, baby. The grip, I feel even confident if I don't use the case with this. You know, a lot of glass-on-glass phones, when you're using them, especially like iPhones and so forth, they're very, very slippery. It's very nerve-wracking in the hand. But this bad boy is all love, baby. Hey man, look, that background matches this bad boy. Look at this, match made in heaven, baby. But I want to talk to you guys, why should you get a Galaxy Note 10? Why would we even want to get a Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus? It's simple as this. This is very business oriented. This is very creative oriented. This is very feature oriented. This is just the all around smartphone in my eyes. There's so many things that you're offered and given. Whether it's whipping out the S Pen and using it, this is like the mouse of smartphones. The S Pen, that's why I love my S Pen. My typing, my texting is far more accurate with the S Pen as far as hitting everything because it's a fine point, very detailed, getting screen captures, making my own GIFs. That's important to me as a creator, as well as navigating. Navigation, very, very smooth. That's why I love the S Pen. That's why I actually use the S Pen. A lot of people say they don't, I do. I sit down, first thing I pull out is the S Pen and I go to work. Note 10. And then you got the camera game, baby. We getting that depth sensor. Now, I can tell you this 100%, the depth sensor is making a huge difference. I can understand why Samsung put that on there. That's why that's the fourth camera. Unfortunately, that one's only on the Plus model, and the Plus model is the only camera that I've tested with the live focus, but it is something serious. Those of you who want to get that butter and you are a phone content creator, the Note 10 Plus is the go. I'm gonna just tell you now. Other reasons I rock with the Note, or any Samsung phone for that matter, is the display. It's the best display in the game. It's so vibrant, it's so saturated, it's just so lively. It just makes everything come to life when you use it. That's why I love this thing. I'm big on consuming my media on A1 quality screens. I need A1 resolution, and that's exactly what the Note 10, 10 Plus, and S10s and S10 Plus offer. This bad boy has expandable memory. Some people may be just getting into the Note phones. If that's you, and you've never had expandable memory on a smartphone, you can expand this bad boy up to 1 terabyte. That's more than anyone could possibly need on a smartphone, but I'm pretty sure some gigabyte nerd out there that's just like chewing up gigabytes. Smartphone for you. Now, we got some pretty dope little AR features and so forth. AR is something new that's coming into the smartphone era. You wanna be able to play with that. That's pretty much every smartphone is starting to incorporate that. But the artificial intelligence that's in this camera and some of the cool features they put behind that is crazy. So you definitely want to check that out. Now, they also spoke about notes. Notes is a big thing I do. That's why I love the Galaxy Note. Like, I listen to a lot of motivational speaking, a lot of audiobooks. So when I'm ready to take notes, I'm whipping out the S Pen and I just write it out. It's so natural to the brain. And when you write things, the motion of the hand, this activates the mind, and that helps you keep that information. It's facts, play, it's scientific. But also, your notes are able to be converted straight from Samsung Notes into Word documents, into text messages. So all of your Samsung Notes that you take, you'll be able to convert them into documents. If you taking notes for, you know, presentations or bullet points like I do for videos when I do them, I definitely picked up the 10 Plus, this color. And I got, what's really dope too, when you pre-order, you get $200 towards the accessories that are selected for you. So you could get a free Samsung smartwatch. If y'all don't know, I'm the smartwatch guru. I love Samsung smartwatches. I love smartwatches. Whew, I'm trying to catch my breath. You saw me hit them stairs, man. Come on, man. Did you see how many stairs I just walked up? You ain't see it. Whew. So, the fact that you get free $200 worth in accessories, you can pick out cases, you can pick out Galaxy Buds, you can pick out Galaxy watches, you can pick out so much. They got power banks, they got wireless chargers. Like, they basically giving you the out the gate kit that you would need to film with, baby. You get straight to it. Those are some things to think about. There's a lot more. I'll probably get more in depth in this one once I get somewhere situated and I catch my breath.